There's some new Powerbeats headphones coming out, Powerbeats 4. There was a video that leaked ahead of the official announcement. This is a sporty headphone, hence the power component. This is something Kirk would like when he's doing the jumping jacks and the calisthenics and the aerobics. Do you remember the thing back in the day with the step? You step on it?
Yeah.
I think it's called the step. What is it called? The step.
Step on?
You're stepping on this thing. It's a step, and you're getting just crazy fit because of it. It's a step. No.
This is not it? This is the one?
No, it was. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm wrong. That's it. It's just it's a step, and you're stepping on it, and you're burning, and your thighs are involved. So. You know what I did have? Tybo. Yeah, it's in the same. Tybo. Zumba. What are you looking up here? I don't think you spell Tybo like that, man.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Tybo. It's like Taekwondo. The Thai is spelled like that because you're, doing moves and whatnot. Anyway, yeah, so Kirk would appreciate a type of headphone like this for all the kicking and dancing and everything else that he's doing. And some people are just not. For some people, the in-ear, the earbud is not enough. It's slipping, it's sliding, it falls out. They're very active, these people. You wouldn't know anything about it.
No.
And so that's why the Powerbeats exists. I always see NBA players, and during a warm-up, they have the Powerbeats in. Because they're jostling, and this has the ear hook on it, so it fits on tightly, plus the interchangeable ear tip, and they've got a new version of it. It's the third model of the Powerbeats. It's going to use Apple's H1 chip, which obviously they're able to use as the benefit of the acquisition of the Beats company. The Beats branded products get to tap into the Apple ecosystem with the H1 chip, so you can use Siri. And of course, if you have an iPhone to pair one of these sets, then you're going to see the nice animation, and it's all going to feel very cohesive. The new Powerbeats 4. Did I say 3 previously? This is the 4th version. It features a sleeker design, supposedly. It's supposed to be more comfortable in the ear. Well, that would be great. And up to 15 hours of battery life, according to the source of the leak. And there's even a video of the pairing animation that leaked out as well. Long press the button on the side, the Beats button, in order to activate Siri. Can I just say something about Siri, Will?
What's up?
I was using an iPhone. I don't know if you recall. And
I can tell you're disappointed.
The lack of Google Assistant or using something other than Google Assistant, it felt like a major downgrade for me. Because I use Assistant all the time. I use Android Auto in the car. I constantly hit the mic to answer questions while I'm driving or something. I hit the mic. Okay. Can you tell me? That's me in the car driving. Hey, Google. I just start snapping. Yeah. Google's like, nice tune there, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, Google. That probably doesn't work. It probably doesn't trigger it. I don't know. It's cool. I'm driving down the road, and it's the best way to interact with your phone when you're driving is via voice. Yeah. You can't be looking at the thing, and this is so easy. I can trigger it from the steering wheel, and so I got so used to the power and utility and sophistication of Assistant, and it's amazing. I can't throw it off. Its ability to discern what I'm saying, even bizarre. I say bizarre things, man. And then I had Siri going for a couple of weeks, and I was dead.
Yeah.
In my car. I couldn't get anything done.
It didn't have CarPlay?
Yeah, no, even with I'm saying the CarPlay's hooked up.
Oh, okay.
And Siri, I'm sorry, I don't understand what you want to do. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm constantly sorry. I didn't get that. What was that? did you say, and then it's wrong, and it's just not on the same level. I'm just saying, man. I'm not trying to incite anything. I'm just saying. I just had the A/B test very recently, so. Anyway, these ones will trigger Siri. I don't know what happens if you pair these to an Android phone, if the same button would activate Assistant.
Right.
That's a curious thought right there. Anyways, 15 hours of battery life. That's pretty good because that's not, I don't think that's including the case, is it?
I don't think there is a case with it.
Yeah,
No,
so
it
that's just
doesn't
in the
say.
headphones. That's pretty good. That could be 3 times as much as a typical set of fully wireless earbuds. Now, they do have a cord between them, but if you're going for the fitness thing or the secure fit to begin with, maybe that doesn't bother you. Like by the time you have the ear thing on, hooked around, does the little cable bother you? I don't really know, but regardless, this is their fitness play. The headphones are expected to be announced very soon, likely shipping alongside iOS 13.4. This coming to us via 9to5 Mac. Also, a number of colors available, black, white, and red. And you know what, Will? It's got the big Beats logo on there. So it just makes people feel warm and fuzzy and comfy when they put it on. They say, or when they get the package around the holiday season and they just see the Beats logo, they say, oh, thanks. Oh, shucks. You shouldn't have. There's still some cachet with the brand. And they got a few endorsement deals, and you know how the whole thing goes. You remember the story in the Olympics? Panasonic was a sponsor. This was a couple years back. And they were the official audio or official headphone sponsor of that particular Olympics. And Beats, don't ask me how, they had some street team stuff going on. They're like, that's cool. We'll just deliver some Beats to various athletes' locations, just quietly. And the athlete would come, oh, there's some Beats over there. And then they were wearing them on TV. It was some gorilla stuff. And what are you going to do? You see a pair at the door. You pop them on. Next thing you know, you're on TV. Next thing you know, people are in the store picking them up. It's how it works, Will.
Yeah. Business, right?
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Wow, you're quick on that one.